In the Hindu tradition, Mehndi is a part of solo, ringer, or 16 bride adornment, which is right for the beautification of the bride from head to toe at the time of her wedding. Mehndi is also encouraged in the Muslim tradition as a hair dye to beautiful woman hand. What is Mehndi function and why we apply Mehndi on our hand at the time of wedding? Mehndi, otherwise known as henna, is a paste associated with positive spirit and good luck. Mehndi ceremony to be held the night before the wedding as a way of wishing the bride good health and prosperity as she make a journey on the marriage. Why do we use Mehndi? Why is Mehndi applied before marriage? Mehndi or henna is known for its medicinal properties. It has a cooling effect that adds something stress, headache and fever. Why do you plan a Mehndi function? Look on your Mehndi ceremony venue, door, studio node. Count on your guests, your photography and upgrade. Your Mehndi research is the best way. Cut your playlist. Ask around. What is Haldi function and why we apply Mehndi in the form of a Mehndi? Haldi hold an important place in the Indian tradition because it is a purify and cleanse the body. In this function, Mehndi is usually applied on body to make skin clean, neat. After the Haldi ceremony, when the paste is rinsed off, it helps to remove dead cells and detoxify the skin. So that's why Mehndi is very important at the time of Haldi. Most people believe that Haldi has the power to ward off evil spirit from affecting the bride and the groom. What is Mehndi and what is the turmeric symbol of Mehndi? Why do we say Mehndi in English? Why should I wear for Mehndi function? Tea velvet lehenga, melang lehenga, green bansari sari anta dong, neon green lehenga, pre-stitched dolki skirt with ghost blouse, function skirt jumpsuit, green mirror work lehenga, dark green lehenga with contrast dupatta are very famous dress for Mehndi. Mehndi or henna is a festival, so you can must enjoy all these function with applying henna on your hand. Mehndi design are simple. You can must see all of these videos. My channel has different types of videos. In these videos, different design are present. These design are very easy, simple. You can must run on your hand as soon as possible because these design are very simple. You can easily done on your hand without any complication. Festive in an Indian marriage began with a Mehndi ceremony. From the bride to be all female in the house gather together for a fun-filled every known and non adore their hand with beautiful Mehndi design floral bird. As per certain tradition in different regime, even the groom apply a bit of Mehndi design on their hand, back or front end. The entire ceremony is fulfilled with Mehndi design, simple design, floral design, Arabic Mehndi design. You can visit all of my channel and see different design. These design are best for Mehndi design, Mehndi function, event, Eid, Tej or the other all tehwar. So you can must visit my channel. Mehndi ceremony also has a deep-rooted cultural importance to it, and here we will tell you all about the beautiful significance of Mehndi in Indian marriage. Did you know Mehndi is considered as the oldest form of body art has been ever into extents? The word Mehndi comes from a second word Mendika, which refers directly to henna plant itself. The use of Mehndi dates back to the time prior to the Vedic age. Traces of henna began use in manufacture has been found. Also, it is believed that the Mehndi principle clothes over Mehndi design on front hand or back hand as soon as possible. Applying mehndi to the bride and the groom before wedding so it's an old tradition of the Indian. The ceremony enter a elaborate application of mehndi design on a bride hand and feet. Application of mehndi come under the slogan Sraya of a newborn of a bride as of the groom are more token for application on mehndi design on front end. As a wedding tradition, it is followed in many parts of India as well as in neighborhood countries of Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal. Mehndi is quite popular among Muslims as well. According to Islamic literature, Mehndi design is profit bear administration to those parts of the body that are very warm. Coming back to Mehndi, Mehndi ceremony is important pre-wedding tutorial observed in the Indian Mehndi design. Mehndi design, the darkness of the Mehndi color on a bride hand represent the deep love between the would-be couple. The Mehndi color also show the love and understanding between the bride and her mother-in-law. The longer the Mehndi retain its color, the more appreciate is for the new layer. Mehndi is also deemed to be symbol represent of fertility, mother-in-law, daughter love.